It's round on it, like I think I can even tap.
Front wheels on there.
This is the Type S one.
But GoofyBuilt's got his Astro Tools cart, and he's going to town on this J32 here. It's the Type S motor. We're stripping it down. We're checking the intake manifolds out. So it looks like the Type S ones have a much bigger port than the basic J32. They have a port match actually. So they are fully flowed out for the J series. And so I'm gonna get the cams out of this and get the cams in the other motor and the intake manifold on the other motor, and then we'll get this block sent off to CSS and everything for the bully. Isn't that rad? So GoofyBuilt's doing bully things for the PFI for his dad. He's hooking it up. So we'll get on it. So the cams slide out right here. Now that I have the cam gears off, I'm gonna pull all these bolts, both of them sides. These will pop right up, each on their own set. These springs here, I'll have to leave these bolts in so that these don't slide all the way off. So the bolts will keep them on. And then when I go to put them back on, I gotta squeeze them and make sure they go in between the caps. These here caps. I mean, they're not actually like caps. They're not cam caps per se. They do go around the cam, but you can't pull them off. So they just, I don't know, they're just spots where the bearing rides. Journals, I guess. Put the 14 back. Grab the 12. I know it's right. Hidden somewhere. I've got it hidden right here. That's it. 12 millimeter. Okay, now we'll grab the ratchet because this is cam valve train stuff, and I personally do not like using impacts on that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's faster, but I like to be able to watch it release and slowly loosen and everything lift and make sure I'm not just oh, mess the cam up, oh, mess the valve up, you know? So I'm gonna put my prop back now. my stash of head studs, head bolts. I got a lot of head bolts.
That was brought to you by our tool man, Jeff.
All right, so I've got the block all torn down. I'm gonna package it up because it's ready to go off to CSS. Pretty rad. Gonna be a sweet build for the bully here. Sean's cranking away over here with all his good fab stuff. This is just a monster. Are those the bigger intakes or the small ones?
They are.
Nice. Those are the good ones.
They're all welded up.
Oh yeah, for the coolant stuff?
Yep, EGR tubes deleted.
Nice, nice.
Welded up.
Give you guys a little sneak peek of this bad boy. We're gonna get her painted. Just do it, just paint it real quick. I had to move it out of the wash bay. We got some things going on, but it's gonna be rad. Woo! This is GoofyBuilt, peace out.